Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to tackle a quick but important task in Visp, deleting an invoice. Before we jump in, remember that deleting an invoice in Visp is permanent, so if you think you might need that invoice again, make sure you've downloaded a copy or contacted the Visp Client Success team for assistance. We're super helpful. Alright, let's delete that invoice. First things first, head over to your subscribers list. You can usually find this on your left-hand sidebar. Now locate the subscriber with the invoice you want to remove. You can search for them or scroll through the list. Once you've found them, click on their name. Okay, you're in the subscriber's profile. Scroll down until you see the transaction section. This is where all the financial action happens. Payments, invoices, the whole shebang. Find the invoice you want to delete in the list of transactions, click on it, and it'll open up in the Packages and Invoices section. See that red Delete Invoice button? That's your target. Click it. This might ask you to confirm the deletion, but just to make sure you're absolutely positive. If you are, go ahead and click Yes or OK. If you're using Avalara for your taxes, you might need to void the invoice there first before deleting it in Visp. And always double check that you've selected the correct invoice before hitting that delete button. Remember, it's a permanent action. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an invoice in Visp. That's easy, right? If you have any questions or run into any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to the Visp Client Success team. We're always happy to help. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Visp tips and tricks.